Animals and their lives. Camel. Camel lives in desert. Snake. Snake lives in a hole. Lion. Lion lives in a den. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus lives in a river banks. Duck. Duck lives in a pond. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Frog. Frog lives in a pond. Fish. Fish lives in a water. Mouse. Mouse lives in a hole. Birds. Birds lives in a nest. Ants. Ants lives in an anthill. Hen. Hen lives in a coop. Sheep. Sheep lives in pen. Horse. Horse lives in a stable. Cow. Cow lives in shed. Cat. Cat lives in cattery. Dog. Dog lives in kennel. Bee. Bee lives in beehive. Monkey. Monkey lives in tree. Today video is completed. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.